Sometimes I remember the time I was in the hospital after getting an appendectomy. I was laying in the hospital bed post-surgery getting some rest. They told me that I will be there for at least 3 days. As I lay in bed on the second night there, I dozed off and suddenly, I was approached by a young nurse as she walked up to me. I noticed that the hospital room looked a little bit different than how it was before. She politely asked me what my name was because she wanted to give me my medicine. Instantly I flew up out of my sleep, and I was alone. I started to plead the blood of Jesus and recite the 23rd Psalms until I saw the light of day. I wasn't sure why that nurse DUPPY came to me wanting to give me medication. But I wasn't gonna just lay there and let her. The DUPPY nurse never came back, but it is said that it's common for nurses to still show up for their shift, even if they have passed away.
Like and follow for more.